to my YouTube channel at Madhavan Art and Craft. I am back with one more new video for you all. I hope you all are good and fine. Today I have made a video to show the content of Mother's Day, and I want to show some glimpses of Mother's Day. I have created some little things and want to show you the setup to do for Mother's Day. I have created this video late, but you can do the setup for your birthdays, anniversaries, or any small parties. So let's begin with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and must subscribe my channel for more and more beautiful videos. So let's begin with the procedure. First of all, I will show you some crafty ideas for Mother's Day. So let's begin, and in this video you are also going to see some foodie recipes which we can make for our setup. So let's begin with it. So for making the crafty idea, I am making here a greeting card, mini greeting card. So take here A4 size paper and just fold it into half like this, and just fold it into half like this, and just mark a crease with your fingers and hands. Now just open it. Now just open it and just add glue to the edges of one side of rectangular shape like this. Don't add much glue. Now flap it over this and just stick it like this and let it dry for some time. So now just fold it into half like this and give it a shape of greeting, and see, our mini greeting card is ready. Now let's create contents inside the greeting. Now take a A4 size drawing sheet and just make small square and a bigger square out it. Now just cut the outer square. Now just cut the inner square like this. Now just use the outer part of the square and just highlight over the greeting card like a triangle, and just cut this triangle over the greeting card. Now just stick the greeting card on the outer page. So just stick this over this. Now just take pink sketch pen and just mark some border highlights over the white one like this. Now just mark borders again using the different colors.
First 3, then 4, then 5, then 6.
So I have made different designs on both of the sides. So now let's move further. Now just you can write here a message. As I'm writing here Happy Mother's Day. You can create it for any occasion. So now let's move further. Now I'm writing here a message inside the card, so you can write anything. I'm making here a heart shape. I'm just getting it in a simple way, just using the papers and sketch, nothing else. Now just you can use here red color also for making the heart. I'm using here pink one shade like this. Darken it. So yeah, it is done. I hope you like this card. So I'm showing you more other message writing. So here I have written message or a poem, you can on the drawing sheet, and it's looking very nice, and it's very easy to create for the content. Now let's make the next crafty. So I am making here the cake topper. So now just take here a square paper of any size. Now just fold it into half like this. Now again fold it into half, means you have to give it here a triangular shape. Again give it a last fold and just mark a crease and a point. Now just using pen or pencil, just mark here a petal shape on the closer side and just cut it, leaving this side. Now just cut and pinch it from the center. So here you will get the flower. So now I have made similar flowers, 4 flowers. Now let's get cake topper with them. Now just add Fevicol to the one flower and just stick it on the bigger one flower like this. Now this is the smaller one, and sorry for the voice if it is not clear.
Koji.
Now just stick it with another flower. Now take here 2 sticks and some sellotape and just apply the sticks on the back of the flower chain and on the both ends like this. Stop नहीं करता
घुमा के रखना.
Lighting the cake topper, and it will look nice on the cakes, and it is very easy and simple to create. So now let's move further to the foodie recipes and the setup. Now I have prepared here some foodie recipes, cake and mojito and some finger sticks, and I could due to some issues I could not shoot it, otherwise the video will go so long. So I hope you all like the table setup. Now just drop some pudina leaves, and in mojito I have added some sugar, some pudina leaves, some lemon slices, and a pinch of pink salt. Now add soda or any cold drinks or soft drink.
भर.
So it is done, and this is cake. Nothing I have done here, something special. I have only taken Britannia cake which is available in the market, and I have just topped it with the Oreo biscuits. And see, I have made this cute smiley with the 5-star chocolate, and I have just sprinkled some big biscuits. So this is the cake, and these are the finger sticks which I have made it using some mashed potatoes, some veggies, and the spices available at your home, and it's very easy. So this is our full table setting, and the craft ideas which I have shown you how to make, these are that.